truth, I'm living in enough man hate with a license.
Alright, so this is gonna be a vlog style prep a shipment with me type of thing. So yeah, it's gonna be like a day in the life, but we're also gonna be getting some work done, so let's do it. So I usually use a prep center and I send all of my inventory there, but I'm only prepping like 45 units, and I also wanted to show you guys how to do it as well. So every now and then I don't mind, you know, prepping a shipment here. So I am actually gonna go to the storage unit. That is where I prep all of my shipments. So see you guys there. Alright, we made it to the storage. So this is how we have power in here. We use this power bank, Alaska. And this is our Wi-Fi router. This is our connections here. And I'm about to set up, about to make the little setup so we can prep some inventory here. All right, so we're gonna prep a shipment. We already got the setup here. We got the labels, got the laptop, got the power bank, the Wi-Fi, everything's ready to go. So I am actually using this software to prep a shipment, 2D workflow. So I'm gonna print out the labels and make the shipment with this software right here. So got the labels, now we're gonna print them. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I had to send them to my phone so I can print them. Shipment here. So now we're gonna prep the inventory. So got this box. Setting out these goggles that I got from my wholesale supplier. So all we're gonna do is just get these labels and cover the manufacturer barcode right over it. So we're gonna do all of these units, and I'll update you guys when we're done. So usually I would have my prep center do all of this, but it's kind of good to get your hands dirty here and there. And actually I was a little bit more profitable if I prep this one myself, because if you use a prep center, you actually have to pay around $1.20 to $1.50 per unit. So these units are actually, I have really good margin on this one. So I could have sent it to the prep center, but since it's only like 46 units, I don't mind prepping it. And I also like showing you guys how to do it. So win-win. Okay. So we prepped all of these units. Now we are going to package this up. Put it back in the same box that it came with. Okay, now we're gonna weigh it and get the dimensions, enter that into the software, and print our shipping labels. So this software right now is actually having me send this shipment all the way to the East Coast, even though I'm in California. And the reason for that is because I have my Amazon FBA shipping settings, inbound settings, set to the East Coast because my prep center is in the East Coast. So since I'm sending this shipment out from the West Coast, I have to go into my Amazon settings and change it to West Coast inbound settings. Can you zoom in over here? Like bring it in over here. Right here, it's saying 2,500 miles away, and it's having me split the shipment. So I need to go into my Amazon Seller Central and change the settings. So I had to mess around with the settings a little bit so I can send it all in one box to just one fulfillment center to Amazon. So I had to like mess around with the settings and everything, confirm some shipments, deny other ones. So now it's having me send it to Arizona, which is only 350 miles away, and I'm able to send it all in one box. So works out perfectly. Well, now we're gonna measure the box, and we're also gonna weigh it. So I have my scale right here. So this is 23 by 19 by 24, and it weighs 43 pounds. So rule of thumb, it can't weigh over 50 pounds per box, and it can't be over 25 inches length, width, and height. All right, so we inputted all the measurements and the weight of the box, and now I'm actually gonna print the labels, and it's a 43-pound box, and it's only $17 to ship to Arizona. So that's pretty good. Okay, cool. So now we are going to put these on the side of the box. So like this. Okay, now we are gonna schedule a UPS pickup through Pirate Ship. And it's only like $4. You just leave it outside your house and they come pick it up. So pretty neat. And that is pretty much how you prep a shipment.
So what is it that you're doing now?
I'm just scheduling a pickup through Pirate Ship, request pickup, UPS. It's gonna be in the back door tomorrow. Sweet, only $4 for one box. I mean, I could drop it off, but I don't really wanna, you know, do that. So just gonna pay the $4 to get it picked up, so. All right, so made it back home. Just gonna have some lunch, take a little quick break, probably film some stuff, probably edit some stuff, and then just relax the rest of the day, enjoy the Sunday. Nothing else much going on, but I'll show you guys around. All right, so we're back in the office and I am just gonna edit some videos and everything like that. Also, I just started journaling. So I'm on like my first week of journaling, and I gotta say, like, there's times where like I get, you know, a little bit, you know, like unmotivated, or I start thinking negative stuff. And this 5-minute journal actually makes me think a little more optimistic and make me feel like things are gonna be okay. Like, you know, California's on fire and everything, but I'm blessed to be not affected by the wildfires and everything like that. So it puts my mindset in a positive train of thought. And I really like that. I totally recommend you guys start journaling. Another thing that's going on that I just started doing as well. I love Amazon Wholesale. I love doing a little bit of arbitrage and everything like that. But I like challenging myself. So something that I am actually working on is private label. So I'm also going to be filming everything and documenting the entire journey. I just started doing product research last week. So I made this Notion page here with all of my notes. This is essentially, you know, just ideas that I'm working on here, just different things that I'm working on. So this is essentially my game plan for my private label brand that I am thinking of launching sometime in the next 3 to 4 months. I'm currently in the product research phase. I'm trying to find something that has a ton of search volume but low competition, typically in the women's supplements category. So we'll see where that goes, because I do take a lot of supplements in my everyday life, and I like working out and everything like that. So we'll see where this research ends up going. I'll update you guys in other vlogs and other content that I'll be putting out regarding documenting the entire private label journey. I'm pretty excited for that. It's a new venture. So I've done retail arbitrage, I've done online arbitrage, I've done Amazon Wholesale, and private label is where I am challenging myself, and I'm so excited for what's to come. So yeah.